Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll explore flavor variations, protein add-ins, and the best ways to serve and store stir-fried water spinach. Best sauce for stir-fried water spinach, simple mix that tastes like takeout. For a classic savory sweet finish, mix soy sauce with a little oyster sauce, then add a pinch of sugar and a tiny splash of water. You want just enough liquid to coat the greens, not flood the pan. You can swap fish sauce for soy sauce for a punchier, more coastal flavor that's common in Thai and Vietnamese kitchens. Gluten-free tamari works well if you avoid wheat. Vegetarian oyster sauce made from mushrooms is a good option if you don't eat seafood. The sugar isn't there to make it sweet. It smooths out any slight bitterness in the greens and helps the sauce taste round. Keep the liquid modest, because water spinach releases moisture as it cooks. Too much sauce turns your stir-fry into a soupy braise. Step by step how to stir-fry water spinach without it turning watery. Preheat the wok or skillet over high heat until it's very hot. A drop of water should sizzle fast. Add oil and swirl to coat, keeping the heat high. Add garlic and chili if using, and stir for just until fragrant, without letting it brown. Add the stems first and toss briefly. Add the leafy tops and toss quickly and constantly. Pour the sauce around the sides of the pan instead of directly onto the leaves, then toss again. Cook just until the leaves wilt and the stems turn bright and tender crisp. Taste and adjust with a small pinch of salt or a tiny splash more soy sauce. Serve right away, and if you like, finish with a squeeze of lime or a few drops of sesame oil. A few small choices make a big difference. Don't overcrowd the pan. If your skillet is small, cook in batches. Keep the greens dry before they hit the heat. Don't cover the pan, because trapped steam is the enemy of crisp stems. Flavor variations, serving ideas, and leftovers. Once you've got the basic method down, it's easy to make this dish match your pantry and your mood. Think of water spinach as a fast-cooking green that loves garlic and salt, then build from there. Thai-style versions often use bird chilies, fish sauce, and sometimes a little more sugar for balance. Vietnamese-style versions lean toward extra garlic with a clean, simple sauce. Chinese-style versions usually combine soy sauce and oyster sauce for a richer glaze. For bolder flavors, add a small amount of shrimp paste or fermented tofu. Both are salty and strong, so start with a little and taste. If you want protein, shrimp and tofu both work well. Cook the protein first, season lightly, move it to a plate, then stir-fry the water spinach and toss the protein back in at the end. What to serve with stir-fried water spinach, plus storage and reheating tips. This dish fits anywhere you'd put a vegetable side. Steamed rice, fried rice, congee, simple noodles, grilled fish, or pan-seared tofu all pair well. It also helps balance rich mains like braised pork or curry. For leftovers, cool it fast and refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 2 days. The texture will soften, and that's normal. Reheat in a hot pan for a minute to cook off extra moisture, or eat it cold like a garlicky salad. Don't freeze it, because the stems turn mushy. With the right heat and timing, water spinach becomes a simple dish you'll want to make again and again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cooking. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.